Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert, here for MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, here to show you how to change and describe some of the media type air filter. Cold air return, air filter box for media. This happens to be a general air. This is a nice one. And what happens is when you go to change your furnace filter, this is a 20-25 by 5. This filter happens to come in, when they call it a 5-inch, it comes in a 4 1/4, 4 3/4, a full 5-inch, and even a 6-inch, depending on what model furnace you have. So I'm showing you this filter fits pretty tight into my furnace. This Trion air bear fits this general right on the money. So when you install these filters, there's an arrow, shows airflow. So the air flows from the cold air return into the furnace conditions it, and up it goes. When you know the airflow is pointing towards the furnace, that's easy. But really what I'm showing you is these filters, these 5-inch filters, come 5 ways, from 4 1/4 up to 6 inches. And by trial and error, we found out that the Trion fit my furnace perfect. Just a little bit of play, that's what it has. It goes in fine, the door goes in, and all's right with the world. So once you find out which one you have, you mark it down so you know that you have a Honeywell, or a Trion, or a General, or a Scuttle. You find out what brand your furnace is, you find a filter that fits properly. There's a bunch of them, nothing's generic, but this is how it goes. Find the right size filter, mark it down, get the same one from then on. Quick tip from MrHardware.com.